Hello everyone! So today I filmed this super wearable, super pretty pink eye makeup look with this really pretty lip color. You can exchange this lip color out for basically anything. I really liked how this turned out. I would wear this every single day if I could. So if you guys like this look and you want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a nice comment, turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So to start this video today, I'm going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is the pore minimizing one. I'm going to go ahead and take this and put this all over the skin with my fingers. Then I'm going in with this Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation, and I am just going to go ahead and stipple this into the skin with my beauty blender, and as you can see, I got a big old pimple on my cheek, so we are going to try our best to cover that up. Then, of course, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this underneath the eyes, down the nose, on the cupid's bow, chin, and forehead, just to highlight those areas. And then I am blending everything in with my beauty blender as per usual. Then I am taking my translucent powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my under eyes with this. I am just taking it on my damp beauty blender, and I'm just taking the powder and really pouncing it down into the skin underneath the eyes and on the eyelids, and then on all the high points of the face where we put that concealer at. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a big fluffy brush and go ahead and set the rest of my face just to make sure everything is not tacky and all of the other products are going to lay on the skin really nicely. Then I'm going in with this Urban Decay Beach Bronzer, and I'm taking it on this little EcoTools bronzing brush, and I am just taking this and putting it underneath the cheekbones, around the forehead, and down the sides of the nose, just to add a little bit of depth. Then I'm going in with this e.l.f. blush palette. I'm going in with the bottom right blush. It's just a really pretty kind of magenta pink color, and it has some shimmer in it. Then for highlighter, I'm going in with this Becca Ski Glow face palette, and I'm going in with the pink highlighting shade, and I'm just picking that up on my beauty blender at first, and I'm just going to go ahead and stipple this down into the skin on all the high points of the face. Then I'm taking a brush and dipping into that same highlighter, and I'm just going to put some more right over top. I really like applying my highlighter like this. I feel like whenever I apply the first layer with a beauty blender, it really stipples down into the skin and just blends in really nicely with the skin. And then the second layer you put over top just really intensifies the glow, and it just, my highlight looks so good when I do it like this. So now I'm going in with my Lorac Mega Pro 4 palette, and I'm going in with these two brown shades. One is just a little bit darker and a little bit more warm, and I'm going to go ahead and take those into the crease. So I am just taking these two shades and mixing them together, and I'm using them as my transition shade. I am layering up just a few times just to get the depth and intensity that I want. Then I'm going in with this dark brown shade on a more dense of a brush, and I'm going to go ahead and take this and put it directly into my crease. I'm not bringing this up too high. I'm making sure to bring this directly into the crease and no higher. Then I'm going in with this super pretty pink shade from that same palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and pat this all over the eyelid. And this pink is like really, really pigmented. I did go over twice and make sure that you could actually tell it was a pink and not like a cream shade or anything. But this shade showed up really, really well and it looked really good on the eyes. Then of course I went back in with the blending brush and just kind of blended out the edges a little bit. Next, I am taking just a little blending brush with those first two shades on it, and I am just running these right on the lower lash line. And now I am doing a little wing, and as usual, you guys, I really tried to get this on camera. I did. I tried my best. Start at the inner part, and I'll go ahead and make the first line of my liner really, really thin and all that, and then I'll go to the outer edge of the eye, and then I'll just kind of draw a line going up from the outer edge of my eye, kind of from my lower lash line. I'll draw a line up and then connect it to everything else, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So yeah, as you can see, I did my best. This is probably like the best I've done recording my eyeliner. I'm terrible at explaining it. If you guys want like an in-depth eyeliner tutorial or an eyebrow tutorial, either one, let me know. I'm just like super terrible at filming this kind of thing, and if I want to, then I'm really, really gonna have to pay attention and like dedicate a whole video to it because I talk too much, I explain too much. If I tried to fit that in a tutorial, the tutorial would be like 30 minutes long. So anyways, I'm just going in really, really quickly and doing my brows. I'm actually only doing one on camera. I did the other one off camera, but I figured I'd show you guys a little bit of how I do my one brow. And then once I'm done with that, I will go in with some concealer and just clean up the bottom of the brow. Like I said, I am not great at explaining everything, but I feel like whenever I clean up my brows, it just brings everything together. Like, once I clean up my brows, I'm on the home stretch with my makeup. I know I'm almost done and everything starts to come together and look really, really good. This is my favorite part. And now I'm going in with that same highlighter, and I'm just going to go ahead and take this on the brow bone just to highlight that area. Then I'm going in with my clear brow gel, and I'm going to go ahead and set my eyebrows down. Y'all know the drill. I brush my eyebrows upwards to make them look more full. And then moving on to lips, I am going in with this little Stila liquid lipstick and then the Kat Von D Lolita lipstick. And I don't know what happened to half my lip footage. I only got me applying Lolita, but I did put that Stila shade in the middle of the lips just to give it that kind of ombre effect. Then I'm going in with this nude eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the waterline just to open the eyes up a little bit. And then I am not applying false lashes today. I am just going to go in and apply a lot of mascara. Okay, and then this is the finished look, everyone. I really, really hope that you enjoyed it. This is a super wearable eye look. You can change up the lip and make it a nude. You can just put a gloss on if you don't feel like doing a lipstick. But this eye look is super, super wearable, super everyday. If you guys like this video, you want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a nice comment, turn on your notifications so you'll know whenever I post. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye.